Full tank lang. Tama ba, red? Full tank. We have
Sabi niya?
yeah, automatic mag-stop eh. It's red man, no?
Yeah, red.
Red na
Yan, parang yellow to.
it's so high tech for Filipinos. We're still third world.
Ayan.
Ayan, tapos
Careful tayo na walang spillage.
walang spillage. We're having fueling here at Enyos, no? In the city of Hamamatsu. So, close yung
Close.
20 liters.
Ilan?
21 liters. Ano lang, mga 16 pesos lang.
Okay?
Yung card. Paid na yon?
Oo. Scan yung visa mo.
Seat mo na lang.
Ah, so paano? After ka after na.
First scan ng card.
Ha?
The card is scanned first before the gas is even put in.
Paano yung payment ngayon?
Okay na, wait na.
Ah, paid na niya. Oh.
I-scan niya. Ipasok yung card mo dyan eh.
Wala na.
Okay.
It's scanning before, ano.
Okay, sige. Sure kayo, ha?
Ano tayo? Sana wala nang, alarm.
Okay, so high tech.
Successful?
Successful.
Explode ang car.
Yung likod baka
Lagay yung lid and then na-close yung ano.
Yeah, na-close ka. Gusto mo i-check,
sa
guys?
interviewin natin yung gasoline station, gasoline boy. How's your experience?
Hirap intindihin. Walang English version.
You want, meron dyan kung hugas ng kamay or whatever. Pagtuloy ng kamay mo.
Ano man? Hindi mo na lumiyang
Okay.
kamay ko. Buti doon si Anya, yung mga nan, pati mga coupon. Hindi ko naintindihan yun ba?
May mga pupunta.
Kids, for driving to Fuji.
Okay, did you solve the problem of the
Yeah.
blinking? Now
Right.
when we drive, there will be a